Hey, welcome back to John's Garage. Today we're changing a positive crankcase ventilation valve on a 2000 Acura 3.2 TL, also known as PCV valve. So I picked this up at Autozone. It's a Duralast PCV 1002DL, and just a little plastic piece, and the grommet to seal it in the valve cover. It's just a little rubber grommet. They get dried out over time and shrink and may leak. So this says it fits all Hondas, and it is from AutoZone, Dorman Help, and it is 42346. This is a really simple maintenance item. If you're doing spark plugs, just pick this up with your spark plugs and change it at the same time. That'll be a good reminder. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to take off the cover here. Just 4 10mm, one in each corner. So just take those off so we can get clearer access to the PCV valve. Okay, just set that cover aside. So now in the back of the engine, this is the PCV valve, and that just pulls up and out of there. There's a rubber grommet there, and you can see it there, and it just goes to the intake here. So it comes out of the rear cylinder head and goes to the intake plenum. So we're just going to take some pliers, squeeze that clamp, and take it out. So we've got our new part here, and the way you tell these are good is there's a little ball bearing in there, and you just shake it. And you can hear it rattle. This is the new one. It's good. And you can blow air through it only one way. If you blow this way, air goes through. If you blow the other way, air will not go through. It's a one-way check valve. Okay, so you probably have to use some needle nose pliers to get this out. I ended up having to push it almost completely in and then reach inside and grab it like this and pull it out. Trying to pull it this way, it wasn't coming out, so it's just rubber. It squishes. You can get it out of there even if you push it all the way in. Okay, so now we take the new grommet and just push it in the hole. Take the PCV valve that we just replaced. Make sure it lines up. Give that a push in there. This one does fit a lot tighter, which is good because you don't want a vacuum leak. And there we go. So the direction of the airflow comes up out of here and goes up into the intake manifold. So this has vacuum. It sucks fumes out of the crank area. So let's connect everything back that we pulled off to get the camera in here. Okay, so now we put the cover back on the engine and we close the hood, and that's job done.